In this video, we are going to create a fully working ATM simulator from scratch, complete with PIN login, balance checking, and withdrawals. Join me in this great tutorial. So to get started, this is a completely fictional ATM simulator created for educational purposes only, okay? So you are going to use the notepad for the coding or for the scripting. So to do that, I'm going to open the notepad by clicking on the search, and then I'll click on notepad. So yeah, I'm going to copy the script you're going to use for the ATM, okay? So let me open the script. I'm going to copy the script, okay? And then I'll paste it in the notepad. I'll be leaving the script at the description, okay? So let me show you something quick, okay? Here you can make your changes if you want. So it says welcome to ATM, okay? And then enter PIN. So the default PIN I've used is 1234. You can change the PIN if you want. So you can add 5 to it to 12345 to go to the menu, okay? And if you enter the PIN wrongly, you're going to get the feedback of incorrect PIN. But if it's correct, it will take you straight to the ATM main menu, okay? And at the menu, you're going to see check balance, withdrawal, and exit, okay? And the default balance I've inputted is 5,000 US dollars. So I'm going to change it to 50,000, okay? I've added 10 to it, so it's 50,000 US dollars, okay? So I'm going to save the script as a batch file. So to do that, we are going to click on the file, and then we click on save as. So at the save as name, I'm going to name it atm.bat. And then at the save as type, I'm going to click on the down arrow and I'll click on all files. And then I'll leave the default location on the desktop, okay? And then I'll click on save. So I'm going to close the notepad, and this is the batch file we just created, okay? So I'm going to change the icon of this batch file, okay? I've already downloaded an ICO file for ATM. So let me show you quickly. You can also download one if you want to change the icon. Okay, let me go to my downloads. And this is an ICO file I just downloaded. Okay, so I'm going to change the icon. And to do that, I'm first going to create a shortcut of the batch file. So I'm going to right click on it. And then I go to show more option. And then send to shortcut. Okay, desktop shortcut. So at the shortcut, I'm going to right click on that. And then I'll click on properties, and then here I'll click on change icon. So I'm going to click on OK, and then I'll browse. Okay, that's my download. So this is the icon I downloaded. Okay, you see ICO file. I'm going to click on that, and then I'll click on open. So I'm going to click on OK, apply, and then OK. So here I've changed the icon to ATM. Okay, so when we double click on this ATM, this is the interface you are going to get. Enter your PIN. So assuming I entered the wrong PIN, incorrect PIN, press any key to continue. Okay, enter. Enter the PIN again. Incorrect PIN, press any key to continue. Okay, let me enter. And then let me type the right PIN, okay? So it has brought me to the ATM menu. So check your balance. I'm going to press 1. Then I'll check my balance. Okay, so my balance is $50,000. Okay, I'll press enter. So withdraw money, okay, is 2. And then you press enter. So enter amount you want to withdraw. So let me withdraw, let's say 20,000. Okay, let me check if it's 20,000. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 20,000. And then I'll press on enter. It's processing, okay? Please collect your cash. Press any key to continue. Okay, and then you can exit. Okay, so this is the basic script for ATM simulation. If you find this guide helpful, please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.